morning, Emerson. Today is Friday, February 13, 2026, and welcome to WMS.
I'm Teddy.
And I'm Musa. Let's get into what's happening around Emerson.
Tomorrow's Valentine's Day, a day all about showing appreciation for the people that you care about.
And that doesn't just mean cards or candy. A kind word, a thank you, or even just checking with someone can go a long way.
Take a moment this weekend to do something nice for the people you love, and maybe even for someone who could use a smile.
Looking ahead to next week, a reminder that there is no school on Monday, February 16 in observance of President's Day.
When we return on Tuesday, February 17th, it's Mardi Gras, also known as Fat Tuesday.
During extended homeroom, many of you decorated Mardi Gras masks, which are a big part of the celebration.
Mardi Gras comes from traditions around the world, represents joy, creativity, and community before the season of Lent begins.
The mask symbolizes the self-expression, celebrating individuality while coming together as a community.
We loved seeing the colors, designs, and creativity you brought to your mask. It really captured the spirit of Mardi Gras at Emerson.
That's all for our opening announcements.
Stick around, because WEMS will be right back with more news from around the school.
Students, please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I
pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Students, please sit for 15 seconds of silence.
Good morning, Emerson. This weekend it looks like the weather will be sunny today, cloudy tomorrow, and partially cloudy on Sunday. The temperatures will be warmer, with the high today is 50 and the low is 24. The high tomorrow is 47 and the low is 28, and the high is 57 and the low is 32 on Sunday. For this week's This or That question, which is better, Starbucks or Dunkin'? Let us know in the Google form linked in your email. Last week, the majority of the Google form responders agreed that they prefer taking tests on paper than on Chromebooks.
Attention, Eagles!
The trimester is almost over and there are still so many items in the lost and found.
If you do not collect your items by the end of the trimester, they will be donated away.
Come get your items!
We interrupt your regularly scheduled announcements for a special investigation report.
That's right, Teddy. We're talking about silent, stretchy menace lurking under our desks and on the bottom of our shoes.
We're talking about gum.
Now we know it's minty, we know it's fruity, we know it helps you concentrate. But here's the pop into your bubble. Gum is strictly prohibited at school.
Why? Well, unless you want your desk to have a permanent collection of used spare mint or enjoy the feeling of a sneaker glued to the hallway floor, gum has got to go.
If you've got gum in your mouth right now, consider this your 10-second warning and to go find a trash can. Go!
Why are the lights off?
Congratulations, Seth! How does it feel to have 10,000 followers?
Good.
Yeah, congratulations! That is so cool. High five, dude. Awesome. Are you surprised?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. I'm super excited too.
I hit 10K.
This weekend, we have a big Central States hockey game coming up for the Northern Express Hockey Club. Make sure to cheer on Max R, number 29, Josh M, number 91, JVP, number 23, Lucas K, number 87, Will H, number 27, and Luke M, number 7. Keep those wheels moving, boys, and shoot those pucks.
Together, we are Emerson! Do, 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 do.